Want to delete your Instagram account permanently? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to do it step by step. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram app and go to your profile page. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Next, scroll down and tap on Account Center. Under Account Settings, select Personal Details. Now, choose Account Ownership and Control and then tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Pick the account you want to delete and select Delete Account. Remember, deleting your account is permanent. Tap Continue, choose a reason for deletion, and confirm by entering your password. Finally, tap on Delete Account. You'll have 30 days to cancel if you change your mind. And that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below for more quick tech guides. See you next time.